Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch RMC Sports live using only the official and the legal methods. RMC Sports streams football, UFC and major European competitions, and you can access it easily if you follow the correct steps. The first way to watch RMC Sports live is through an official subscription. RMC offers a digital plan that lets you stream directly on your phone, laptop or smart TV without needing a cable provider. So once you sign up and log in into your official RMC Sports application or website, and when you go to the live section to watch the matches instantly. The second method is through the supported TV providers. If your TV subscription includes RMC Sports, you can sign in through the provider's application or on any smart TV that supports RMC Sports. You just have to enter your provider login and channel unlocks automatically. If you travel or live outside the supported region, RMC won't work because of licensing restrictions. The services is designed to stream only in its approved areas. So if the application shows an access error, it usually means the channel isn't available in your location. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.